Well, we got a call from the Florida Utilities to go down and help with mutual assistance, and we're sending about 50 employees down to help out the families of Florida to restore power. I know we rely on mutual assistance when we have storms locally. They're calling for Category 4 storm at this point, so I think we're going to see a lot of the same type of damage that we saw 2 years ago with the poles, the wires, and a lot of trees. It's going to take us about 2 days to drive down. We're going to coordinate with the local utility to get set up to be ready for the storm, and have our crews positioned and ready to go when the storm hits to be able to put the families back in power. Safety is our #1 priority, getting down, traveling down first of all to get down there, but then also safety of the public in Florida and the safety of our employees as well. So they do a really good job of onboarding our crews to make sure that we understand what the differences are on their system so that our crews could use their abilities to fix their system as well. We're fully prepared to spend as long as we need to get the power back in, and as long as the utility needs us.